Baltimore, where the city and surrounding communities hope road crews are staying ahead of this storm.
But we begin first tonight with meteorologist Jessica Starr live in the Skywatch Center with the latest on when the snow will start and how much we're going to get. Hey, Jess.
Hey, guys. Yeah, this is a really big system that brought some drenching rains to the south, and it's coming in towards that cold air that we've been experiencing, and that's where we're going to see significant snowfall. Right now, currently already moving into North Carolina and Virginia, zooming in a little bit closer, just not falling just yet. We're still very dry. The atmosphere is still very dry, so the snow that is picking up here is evaporating, but the snowflakes will start to fall right around 11 o'clock tonight, and it's going to accumulate big time. This is a big storm, so this is the expected snowfall totals from tonight all the way through Sunday morning. 12 inches or more from Baltimore through D.C., a foot or more of snow by Sunday morning, 8 to 12 inches in the higher elevations of Maryland, and right around 6 to 12 inches towards the lower portion of the Delmarva Peninsula. I'll time out this system and tell you when we could see blizzard-like conditions for tomorrow coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, Jessica, thanks. Dore in Whoville this year because rain is on the way this Christmas. Jessica Starr joining us now with a look at the forecast. Jessica?
I know, a little bit of a soggy Christmas for us this year, but we got the rain and the snow. The snow actually last Saturday, but right now 31 degrees outside, a cold and sunny day outside, and that's what we're going to have for Christmas Eve. For tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, winds out of the west at 6 miles an hour, and humidity at 41%. So on Skywatch HD regional radar, there you can see all those rain showers in the Midwest, some mixed precipitation towards the northern portions of the Midwest towards Chicago and Milwaukee, and then some snow showers. This system is moving right in our direction. Now we could see a little bit of some freezing drizzle on the onset from the system, then changing all over towards a cold rain for Christmas Day. So let's just plan it out for you. For tomorrow, for Thursday, another sunny day, but on the cold side, temperatures again will be only in the upper 30s, but an ample amount of sunshine out there. But then here comes that moisture. We're definitely going to watch it because as it moves in here, I stopped this right around 4 a.m. on Christmas morning. That's when we could have a little bit of some sleet and some freezing rain. Not going to be a major ice event, but we will have a couple hours of some freezing drizzle in our region before it changes all over towards rain for most of the day on Friday and lingering to the first part of Saturday morning. So here's your system for Fridays. From 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. we could see some sleet, then from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. some freezing drizzle, changing over to rain after 10 a.m. The other concern is going to be flooding late Friday into Saturday. From all that snow that we had from Saturday's event, on top of some rain showers, we'll see some flooding late Friday into Saturday. So we'll definitely watch that as well. For tomorrow, though, another sunny day, 35 degrees on the cold side, winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. The next 7 days, 40 degrees for Christmas, 45 degrees on Saturday, 42 degrees on Sunday. We stay dry and sunny behind that system, 41 degrees on Monday, 40 degrees on Tuesday, and 39 degrees on Wednesday. That's a look at your soggy Christmas forecast. Back to you, Jeff.
All right, Jess, thanks so much.
Welcome back. 7:40 is the time on another cold January day. Today, starting off at 27 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and those winds are still a little bit strong out of the west-northwest at 13 miles an hour. Temperatures, though, across the state of Maryland, 27 degrees, both Baltimore and D.C., 24 degrees in Hagerstown, and a chilly 14 degrees in Oakland. We still have these winds, not as strong as they were this weekend, but still a little bit strong out of the northwest, which is a cold wind, right around 13 miles an hour in Baltimore, 8 miles an hour in D.C., 9 miles an hour in Hagerstown, and 12 miles an hour in Wilmington. You factor that in, just a 10-mile-an-hour wind into a temperature in the upper 20s. You get a pretty strong wind chill, some dangerous temperatures. This is what it's feeling like if you step outside this morning. It's feeling like 1 degrees in Oakland, Maryland, 14 degrees in Hagerstown, 18 degrees in D.C., and 19 degrees in Charlottesville. So a very chilly start to the day today. And we're not the only ones that are feeling this Arctic air mass. Look at these temperatures right now. Negative 15 degrees in Omaha and negative 9 in Minneapolis. That's not a wind chill temperature. That's the actual temperature right now. A very strong Arctic air mass coming down from Canada and dropping the jet stream all the way down. And even Dallas, Texas is sitting at 24 degrees below freezing right now in Dallas. Now we do have some flurries outside right now, pretty much just lake effect flurries from that Arctic air mass going over the warmer Great Lakes, allowing for a little bit of moisture to develop. And those winds are so strong that the lake effect snow showers are making its way over the mountains and in towards the DC-Baltimore region. No huge accumulation, but we will see a couple flurries in the region throughout the daytime for today. So we have this low pressure system that's been sitting over Boston for the past couple of days, and high pressure system towards our west, a fairly strong pressure gradient between these two. So very cold and blustery conditions yet again for today. For Tuesday, more clouds than sunshine, but then as high pressure system builds in, we stay dry, and then Wednesday's looking dry and sunny and more sunshine, but still below normal temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday. And then a cold front's going to inch through our region late Thursday into early Friday. Could see a couple of snowflakes, some snow showers from this system. We'll have to see how it plays out, because we'll have to see how much moisture, because the air in the atmosphere is just so dry right now. But then behind that cold front, reinforcing more Arctic air by the end of the weekend. So for today, mostly cloudy skies, a couple flurries in the region before noon, 35 degrees for a high temperature, and those winds continuing out of the northwest. The next 7 days, not looking all too bad, but still below normal temperatures. 35 degrees for today, 36 degrees on Wednesday, 37 degrees on Thursday, and then here comes that cold front, just a 30% chance for some snow showers. Still watching it, but we'll have to keep our eye on it as well. And then behind that, the weekend is looking cold and dry. 30 degrees for a high temperature on Saturday, 31 degrees on Sunday, and 33 degrees on Monday. That's a look at your forecast. Let's check in with Candace to see how your roads are shaping up this morning.